everyone, this is Phoebe from Moneybox. This is our factory. We are manufacturer of prefab house, container house, steel structure, and portable toilets. You can see over there is our showroom. Over there are some samples for large steel structure containers. Welcome to our factory to have a look. I will show you around one by one. And today I would like to introduce it's the most popular model of the portable container, folding container. This is the sample container. Yeah. Why we call it folding container? As you can see on the wall, those are the hinge. This is the key point, make the containers possible to be clasped. And the size of this container, the length, the length is 5.8 meters. 5.8 meters, and the width means this size. The width is 2.44, and the height, the external height, is 2.62. And as you can see, you may notice that there are some small wheels. What does this wheels used for? Can you guess? In fact, this is a small tools for easier loading. While we pack the container for loading, we will put on the small wheels so it can be poured into the container very easily. So now, I would like to show you some details about the container. As you can see, this is the standard model with one door and two windows. The door size is, we can show it to you. Door size. The door size. The door size height is 2 meters. 2 meters. The height. And the width is 0.95. Next is about the window. The window is glass sliding window. The framing is aluminum. The width is 1.05, and the height is 0.95, and it's the standard window with a security bar. Next is about the internal. The floorboard is fiber cement board. This is a kind of upgrade option. Our standard floorboard is MGO board. And the framing, you can see the framing. The framing is galvanized and then well painted. We made very nice gap sealing, so you will have no worry about leakage. The internal, we will equipped with electric. The electric at the entrance, it has one switch at the entrance, and then is the distribution box, and then two lights. Our standard electric system includes two sockets. Over there, that one is for AC usually. And how about the internal dimension? Let's have around 2.3 meters internal wise. The outside is 2.44. Internal is 2.3. So next is the internal length. Yeah. The external length is 5.8. So the internal is 5.6. Okay, so the internal length is 5.67. So next is the height. As I just introduced, the external height is 2.62. The internal extra height is 2.37. Okay, so the internal now is empty inside. If you wanted to make some partition, it is also possible. We can off the partition wall and you will install on site. It can be used for different purpose. Yeah. For example, you can make partition to divide it into 2 small rooms to be workers' house. And it can also be used for storage, can also be used for shops, any other application that you can think of. Yeah, this container, 140 high Q can load 8 pieces for shipping. So it is a kind of very cost-effective model. Yeah, there is one more details I would like to show you is how we fasten this container. Why this container can be installed very fast. All of the floorboard, windows, doors, electric are all installed in the factory. The only thing you have to do is use the forklift to lift from the 4 top corners. After you lift up, this short wall will pull up. As you can see here, here is the bolt for fasten. Each panel will have 1, 2, 3, 4, in total 4 bolts to fasten the container. Yeah, that's why this container can be finished very soon. Okay, to get more information about this container, welcome to contact us. We will send you more pictures, videos, and the technical details. Contact us to get more information. Bye.